Go ahead, counsel.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Tracy Thomas, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Your name?
Lorianne Pearson.
All right. And where are we on this case?
I had my appointment with Hawk and I signed all the papers, but I missed a document. She just emailed me this morning.
Say again?
I signed the papers with Hawk. I had my appointment. I signed the papers. I just missed one document and I'm going to send that to her as soon as I get home.
Okay, so you're one document short.
Yes. But everything.
Did they say that they'd be able to help you?
Yeah, 2,800.
That they're going to be, okay. So here's what I'm going to do, because we're at the end of the month and I don't.
I have no problem paying March, so.
Right, I got you. So what I'm going to do is, what does council have owing at this point? Is it 2785.20?
No, it's actually, yes, that's it. It's 2493 rent plus cost plus statutory attorney fee. Yes, sir.
All right, so it's 2785.20. All right, so I'm going to issue a judgment for possession, finding no tribal issue after a hearing. Basically lock that figure in because that's what Hawk is going to be looking at helping you with. Okay, so I'm going to give them a judgment, but I'm extending the writ date out. I'm going to do what I did with other people. I'm extending it out to the 17th.
Okay.
To March 17th. So that's going to let the folks at Hawk know that I said the 17th so they can get the payment to the landlord for that. You're going to take care of March.
Yes, I will.
Then you're going to be good. You're welcome.
That's at 3 p.m.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Rebecca Austin for plaintiff. We're going to be dismissing that case. He is paid in full.
Okay. I like where we're going with this. Case dismissed. I'm playing this motion without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Peninsula Place versus Camille Cox.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Rebecca Austin for plaintiff. We are going to dismiss that as well. She's also paid in full. I'm sorry, ma'am. I didn't know you were here. I would have let you know.
You stayed here all this time?
Yeah.
Even though you had paid?
Yeah, I didn't know.
What were you worried about?
Nothing.
Nothing?
No.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well, case is dismissed. That's without prejudice. You take care, young lady. Peninsula Place versus Talia Malcolm.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Rebecca Austin for plaintiff.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Hi, McCullum.
McCullum.
Yeah.
Said that wrong, didn't I? All right. Where are we on this case?
We have a consent judgment to present to the court.
All right.
Do you want me to put the terms on the record?
Yes, please.
Okay, rent to retain is $387, cost of $177.72 for a total of $564.72. Ms. McCollum indicates she can pay that by March 9. She did review the judgment. She signed the judgment. I advised her of her right to seek relief from the judgment in the next 3 business days, should she not understand the judgment and or the terms her rights and or the terms and conditions of the judgment.
Ma'am, is all of that correct?
Yes.
Do you have any questions whatsoever?
No.
Do you have any questions whatsoever in terms of the judgment?
No.
No?
All set?
All right. Are you always this happy?
Yeah.
Okay. What'd you say?
You always got to be positive.
There you
Why
go.
can't you make
All right. Well, thank you for that. You spread that to the room. Okay. All right. I've signed the consent judgment. If you need a copy, you can pick it up front.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you. Court does call the case of Peninsula Place versus Demarius Watkins.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Rebecca Austin for plaintiff. Oh, I'm sorry.
There you go.
Oh, I didn't know you were here either. I'm sorry.
Your name?
Demarius Watkins.
All right. How much do you have owing?
Rent, Your Honor, $2,798.93. Court cost of $177.72 for a total of $2,976.65.
You had a Hawk appointment.
Yeah, they scheduled another appointment for the 9th. It was on the 23rd. They needed some additional information from me. So I have another one scheduled for the 9th.
And then did they say what they were going to do? Or
I think they were going for it. They just needed some documents for my income.
gotcha. So you didn't have income documents. They need that.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. All right, so. Hey, man, here's what I'm gonna do. Because if and I'll explain why I'm doing it. I'm gonna give them a judgment, finding no tribal issue. All right. And that's to try to keep the figure that you really need to pay under 3,000. Got it?
I understand.
Okay. And so no tribal issue. I'm gonna grant a judgment for possession to the plaintiff, 2976.65. However, the writ date on it, I'm not gonna make it, you left it blank, thank you. I'm going to make it March 17th, 2026, okay? So so that you understand what I did. I'm doing the judgment, lock that figure in. You get that information to Hawk, you're gonna get that on the 9th. When you get that to them, let them know that your date to try to get this paid is 17th.
Okay.
Okay, so that if they're doing everything, hopefully they'll rush it through or do whatever, or at least be in contact with the landlord to get additional time to get that paid out.
All right. Thank you.
Got it? All right, you take care. Peninsula Place versus Zaria Fisher. She's in Zoom.
I'm here.
Oh, there she is. Okay.
Rebecca Austin for plaintiff, Your Honor.
Okay, and what is,
Yes, you're right, Your Honor, $888.40, court cost of $177.72 for a judgment of $1,066.12.
all right. All right, Ms. Fisher, you
I'm
made
sorry, was
that.
that
Pardon?
1,000? What was the number again? I'm sorry.
$1,066.12, including the cost and everything.
Okay.
All right, let me ask you this. When do you think you can get that paid?
So I also have another money order for $400. I just couldn't get it in yesterday, but I did pay the third. Well, I paid $1,600, and then I have the $400 today. And then I can pay the rest by Tuesday.
You think you can get the 1,066 by Tuesday? So you got the 400 and then you need another 600 or about 700. You think you can get that paid by Tuesday?
Yes.
Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. This won't include your March rent, so I'm gonna grant a judgment finding no tribal issue for possession in that amount of 1,066.12 total. Tuesday's the 3rd. If I give you till the 9th, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extend your writ date. I'm just gonna make it the 13th, that Friday. Make sure in case something happens, you got till that week to get it paid, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
All right, just a reminder, this does not include your March rent, so you'll still have, that'll
So
still be
once
due.
So once I pay the 1,066, this case is done.
The case is
And then
done, but you're still gonna
I
owe
just
March
focus on
rent,
March.
so you don't want them filing again if you can help it.
No, I'm not gonna have a follow. I just wanted to make sure once I pay the
Okay.
1,066, I can just focus on March and get this out of the way.
You just want to be done with me. I got it.
No, I just
Okay.
want to get
Okay, Ms. Fisher, you take care.
You do the same. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Peninsula Place versus Faith, is it Osai? Osei. I knew, you know what? I looked at it and I said, I'm gonna say it wrong. Then she's gonna yell at me.
You get
And
it 3 ways, 3 tries.
All right.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Okay, where are we on our case?
Your Honor, I talked to Ms. Osei in the hallway. She indicates, Hawk was not able to help her, but she did have her appointment with DHHS this morning. So if we could get her another adjournment so she could work through that SER process.
See, this would be the second adjournment. Okay. How much do you have owing?
Total, Your Honor, $2,811.50.
Oh, that's before the 800.
Oh, I'm sorry, right, I'm sorry. $1,961.50. She made a payment of $850, she told me in the hallway, so I apologize.
That's exactly what she told me she was gonna do. So you said that's 19.
$61.50.
Okay, and how much is your March rent?
$639 even.
Okay,
So I'm gonna get bumped. up.
so I'll let you work through the DHS process. How many people are in your house?
It's just me. So everybody has, it's a 3-bedroom, but everybody has to worry about their own rent. So that's
Right.
639. I gotta worry about that 639 on my own.
No, I got you, but, so it's really just you.
Yeah.
So that you know, if you get the maximum award at DHHS, it's only gonna be about $410.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah. They say, they call it state emergency relief, but it's not quite that.
Okay. I was also mentioning that I am getting ready to file my taxes. I think I was just waiting on a few more things, fingers crossed. I still am working and I'm about to pick up a second job just so I can help. So with rent.
Okay, well, no, okay, I hear you.
Yeah,
Are you in school?
I am in school. I do school full time and my current job, I work 35 hours.
What are you gonna be when you grow up?
I'm working, well, on my degree, it's a Bachelor of Science in Family Sciences and Human Development in Youth and Community Development.
Oh, is that 2 degrees or is that one long one?
No, so it's, for some reason, like it's Family Sciences, Human Development is the program, and then Youth and Community Development is my major. So that's that.
Wow.
And then I want to do family policy in that, or family law policy advocacy.
Family law policy advocate?
Yes, sir. Your Honor.
That's cool, not my court, but all right. Okay. All right, young lady, let's see if we can get you through this. You got kind of a plan sketched out for yourself.
Yeah, gotta make a way. God gave me the will, so.
Well, what year are you?
I am a junior currently.
So you already had some tough times getting to that point, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Okay.
complete switch. So I was doing 4 years of finance right before I got to my
What?
senior year. I switched. It just wasn't for me anymore. I liked
How did you
finance.
go from finance to that?
I liked what I did outside of my major in my classes. I was at Wayne State as a peer mentor within the School of Business, and I enjoyed being a peer mentor more than going to class most of the time, honestly.
Something in life all of a sudden told you what your niche should be.
Yeah, it was God.
I know. All right. March 13, 2026 at 3 p.m. All
Okay,
right, young lady.
here,
That's here.
gotcha.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.